Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy your Bitcoin from Bifrost Wallet. Keep watching the video till the end. To buy Bitcoin from Bifrost, firstly open your Bifrost Wallet application. Enter or type in your PIN code to enter your wallet. The home page of Bifrost Wallet will appear on the screen. Click on blue arrow icon on the bottom of the screen. Among the pop-up option, click on Buy option. On the next page, search for Bitcoin option by scrolling down or else type in Bitcoin and make a search. Tap on Bitcoin and enter the amount of US dollar you would like to spend, which will show you the worth of Bitcoin you are going to receive. After you're done typing it down, tap on Continue. It will then take you down to the app.topperpay.com where you'll need to follow through the on-screen prompts. Check if your details are correct. You can also go ahead and select your currency from the drop-down. Tap on Continue button on the bottom. You will need to log into your Topper account, so go ahead and enter your email. Verify your email address and then you should be able to complete your transaction. Carefully review the transaction details including the purchase amount fees. Confirm the transaction if everything looks correct and you'll be able to purchase Bitcoin on Bifrost Wallet quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.